Hello friends, let's see the remaining provision of SICRA. Section 24 ऑफेंस बाय कंपनीज. ये सेक्शन भी सेबी में है, पूरा का पूरा वैसा ही है और मैंने सेबी में डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किया है. वेयर एन ऑफेंस हैज़ बीन कमिटेड बाय अ कंपनी, एवरी पर्सन हु एट द टाइम when the offence was committed was in charge of and was responsible to the company for the conduct of the business of the company, as well as the company shall be deemed to be guilty of the offence and shall be liable to proceed against the punished accordingly, provided that nothing contained in the subsection shall render any such person liable to punishment provided in this act. if वो प्रूव करता है कि उसकी नॉलेज में नहीं हुआ है या फिर उसने पूरा ख्याल रखा है कि ये ना हो. नॉट विथ स्टैंडिंग एनीथिंग कंटेन इन सब सेक्शन 1 where offence under this act has been committed by a company and it is proved that offence has been committed with the consent of or convenience of or is attributable to any gross negligence on the part of director, manager, secretary or other officer of the company. Such director, manager, secretary or other officer of the company shall also be deemed to be guilty of that offence and shall be liable to proceed against the punished accordingly. ये पूरे सेक्शन में कंपनी मीन्स बॉडी कॉर्पोरेट एंड इंक्लूड्स फर्म और अदर एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल, और डायरेक्टर मीन्स पार्टनर इन द फॉर्म में पार्टनर इन द फॉर्म या एसोसिएशन ऑफ पर्सन और बॉडी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल में पर्सन हु कंट्रोलिंग द अफेयर्स. प्रोविजन ऑफ दिस सेक्शन शैल बी इन एडिशन टू एंड नॉट इन डिरोगेशन ऑफ द provision of section 22A. Certain offence to be cognizable, notwithstanding anything contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898, any offence punishable under section 23 shall be deemed to be cognizable offence within the meaning of that code. Cognizance of offence by court. 26. No court shall take cognizance of any offence punishable under this act or rules or regulation or bylaws made under their save on complaint made by the central government or state government or SEBI or recognized stock exchange of any person or by any person. Establishment of special court. Central government may for the purpose of providing a speedy trial of offence under this act by notification establish or designate as many special court as may be necessary, and वो consist of single judge होगा who shall be appointed by central government with the concurrence of Chief Justice of High Court within whose jurisdiction the judge to be appointed is working. A person shall not be qualified for appointment as judge of special court unless he is immediately before such appointment holding the office of session judge or जज एज द केस में भी. ये सेक्शन में भी पूरा सीबी का है. इसमें देखिए कि कुछ सेक्शन है जो पूरे के पूरे एज इट इज़ मतलब सेम उसके अंदर प्रोविजन सारे सेम टू सेम है एज अ सीबी और सिक्रा में. तो आप वो कंपेयर कर देंगे तो आपको पढ़ना कम हो जाएगा. इफेक्टिवली टाइम बच सकता है. ऑफेंसेस पर्सन शैल नॉट बी, हाँ वो हो गया. Offences trial by special code 26B. Notwithstanding anything contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, all offence under this act committed prior to the date of commencement of section of the Securities Law Act 2014 or on after the date of such a commencement shall be taken to cognizance of and tried by special court established for the area in which the offence is committed. However, there are more special courts than one for such area by such one of them as may be specified in this behalf by High Court concerned. Appeals and revisions. The High Court may exercise so far as may be applicable all the powers and conferred by chapter this and this of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 on a High Court as if a special court within the local limits of jurisdiction of the High Court were a court of session trying cases within local limits of jurisdiction of the High Court. 26D. Application of a court to proceeding before special court. Save as otherwise provided in this act, provision of Code of Criminal Procedure shall apply to proceeding before special court, and for the purpose of state provision special court shall be deemed to be court of session, and person जो conducting कर रहा है prosecution उसको public prosecutor माना जाएगा. और जो person conducting prosecutor reformer shall have been a practice as an advocate for not less than 7 years or should have held a post for a period of not less than 7 years under the under the union or a state requiring special knowledge of law. Transitional provision 26C. Any offence committed under this act which is triable by special court shall, until a special court is established, be taken cognizance and tried by court of session exercising jurisdiction over the area, notwithstanding anything contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, provided that nothing contained in this section shall affect the power of the High Court under Section 407 of the Code to transfer any cases or classes of cases taken cognizance by Court of Session under this section. सेक्शन 27 टाइटल टू डिविडेंड्स, ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सेक्शन है, ये सिक्रा में ही है, सीवी में नहीं है ऐसा सेक्शन. It shall be lawful for the holder of any security whose name appear on the books of company issuing the said security to receive and retain any dividend declared by the company in respect thereof for any year, notwithstanding that the said security has already been transferred by him for consideration, unless the transferee who claims the dividend from the transferor has lodged the security and all the other documents relating to the transfer which may be required by the company with the company for being registered in his name within 15 days of the date on which the dividend become due. मतलब कि जो होल्डर है ऑफ सिक्योरिटी है उसे ही डिविडेंड मिलेगा अनलेस कि उसने फॉर अ कंसिडरेशन सिक्योरिटी ट्रांसफ़र कर दी है और वो ट्रांसफरी ने विद इन 15 डेज डॉक्यूमेंट के साथ कंपनी में एप्लीकेशन दे दी है. द पीरियड स्पेसिफाइड इन दिस सेक्शन शैल बी एक्सटेंडेड. 15 डेज एक्सटेंड होगा किस केसों में? इन केस ऑफ डेथ ऑफ ट्रांसफरी बाय द एक्चुअल पीरियड टेकन बाय हिज लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव टू एस्टैब्लिश हिज क्लेम टू द डिविडेंड. In case of loss of transfer deed by theft or any other cause beyond the control of transferee by the actual period taken for replacement thereof, and in case of delay in lodging of any security and other document relating to the transfer due to causes connected with the post by actual period of delay. Nothing contained in this subsection 1 shall affect right of a company to pay any dividend which has become due to any person whose name is for the time being registered in the books of company as the holder of the security in respect of which dividend has become due. मतलब इससे कंपनी का राइट जिसका नाम रजिस्टर में है उसको ही ट्रांसफ़र करने का राइट है कंपनी को. उस राइट ऑफ द ट्रांसफरी ऑफ एनी सिक्योरिटी to enforce against the transferor or the other person his rights, if any, in relation to the transfer in any case where the company has refused to register the transfer of the security in the name of the transferee. मतलब सबसेक्शन 1 में जो लिखा है उससे ट्रांसफरी का राइट नहीं जाता टू एनफोर्स अगेंस्ट ट्रांसफरर अगर कंपनी मना कर दे सिक्योरिटी ट्रांसफ़र रजिस्टर करने में. नेक्स्ट इज़ राइट टू रिसीव इनकम फ्रॉम कलेक्टिव इन्वेस्टमेंट स्कीम. ये सेक्शन भी मतलब इसका प्रोविज़न रिलेटेड टू जैसा 27 में है वैसा ही है, पर ये फॉर कलेक्टिव इन्वेस्टमेंट स्कीम है. It shall be lawful for the holder of any securities being units or other instruments issued by collective investment scheme whose name appears on the books of the collective investment scheme issuing the said security to receive and retain any income in respect of unit or other instrument issued by collective investment scheme declared by collective investment scheme in respect thereof for any year, notwithstanding that the said security being units or other instrument issued by collective investment scheme has already been transferred by him for consideration, unless transferee who claims the income in respect of unit or other instrument issued by collective investment scheme from the transfer or has lodged the security and all other documents relating to transfer which may be required by the collective investment scheme with the collective investment scheme for being registered in his name within 15 days of the date on which the income in respect of unit or other instrument issued by the collective investment scheme become due. Explanation. इसमें भी same thing reason है. In case of death of the period specified shall be extended if in case of death of transferee by actual period taken by his legal representative to establish his claim to income to the income respect of units or other instrument issued by collective investment scheme in case of loss of transfer deed by theft or any other cause beyond the control of the transferee by the actual period taken for replacement thereof, and in case of delay in lodging of security being units or other instrument issued by CIS and other documents relating to the transfer due to cause connected with post by the actual period of delay. Nothing contained in the subsection 1 shall affect right of collective investment scheme any CIS to pay any income from units or other instrument issued by CIS which has become due to any person whose name is for the time being registered in the books of CIS as the holder of the security being units or other instrument issued by CIS in respect of which income in respect of units or other instrument issued by CIS become due, or the right of transferring of any security being units or other instrument issued by CIS to enforce against the transfer or any other person is right if any in relation to transfer in any case where the company has refused to register the transfer of the security being units or other instrument issued by CIS in the name of the transferee. Right to receive income from mutual fund 27B, ये भी सेम एज 27A बट ये म्यूचुअल फंड का है. सो लेट्स रीड. It shall be lawful for the holder of any security being a unit or other instrument issued by mutual fund whose name appears on the books of the mutual fund issuing the said security to receive and retain any income in respect of units or other instrument issued by mutual fund declared by the mutual fund in respect thereof for any year, notwithstanding that said security being units or instrument issued by mutual fund has already been transferred by him for a consideration unless transferee who claimed the income in respect of units or other instrument issued by mutual fund from the transferor has lodged the security and all other documents relating to transfer which may be required by the mutual fund with the mutual fund for being registered in his name within 15 days of the date on which the income is in respect of the units or other instrument issued by mutual fund become due. Explanation. ये भी सेम एक्सप्लेनेशन है, सिर्फ म्यूचुअल फंड का ही. डेथ का जब तक नहीं कि होनी डेथ का जब तक कि वो राइट टू रिसीव एस्टेब्लिश नहीं हो जाता. लॉस ऑफ ट्रांसफ़र में एक्चुअल पीरियड टेकन फॉर रिप्लेसमेंट, और अगर पोस्टिंग में देरी हुई तो एक्चुअल पीरियड टेकन फॉर डिले. और नथिंग अंडर इन सबसेक्शन 1 शैल अफेक्ट, इसमें भी ये दोनों सेम ही है, सिर्फ म्यूचुअल फंड का है. एक्ट नॉट टू अप्लाई इन सर्टेन केसेस. सेक्शन 28 द प्रोविजन ऑफ दिस एक्ट शैल नॉट अप्लाई. ये भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है. द प्रोविजन ऑफ दिस एक्ट शैल नॉट अप्लाई टू गवर्नमेंट, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, लोकल अथॉरिटी or corporation set up by special law or any person who has affected any transaction with or through the agency of such authority as referred to in this clause. Any convertible bond or share warrant or any option or right in relation thereto in so far as it entities the person in whose favor any of the foregoing has been issued to obtain at his option from the company or other body corporate issuing the same, or from any of its shareholder or duly appointed agent, share of the company or other body corporate, whether by conversion of the bond or warrant or otherwise on the basis of the price agreed upon, whether the same was issued. मतलब कि ऊपर जो है उसकी उन लोगों की जो कन्वर्टेबल सिक्योरिटी है वो उसको एग्जम्पशन है इसमें बी में. Without prejudice to the provision contained in subsection 1, if central government is satisfied that interest of trade and in the interest of trade and commerce or the economic development of the country, it is necessary or expedient so to do, it may by notification in the official gazette specify any class of contract as contract to which this act or any provision containing shall not apply. मतलब बाय ऑफिशियल गैजेट नोटिफिकेशन बोलेंगे कि किसको अप्लाई नहीं होगा. एंड ऑल्सो द कंडीशन लिमिटेशन और रिस्ट्रिक्शन इफ एनी सब्जेक्ट टू विच इट शैल नॉट अप्लाई, मतलब उसके साथ जो कंडीशन लिमिटेशन रिस्ट्रिक्शन है वो भी बताएंगे. प्रोटेक्शन एक्शन टेकन इन गुड फेथ, नो suit prosecution or other legal proceeding whatsoever shall lie in any court against the governing body or any member, officer, bearer, servant of any RSC or against any person or appointed under subsection 111 for anything which is in good faith done or intended to be done in pursuance of this act or of any rules or bylaws made thereunder. मतलब भी suit और proceeding नहीं होगा इन persons इन सब लोगों के अगेंस्ट में अगर उन लोगों ने कुछ काम डन एंड एक्टिविटीज डन इन गुड फेथ होगा तो. Power to delegate 29A. Central government may by order publish in the official gazette direct that powers except the power under subsection 30 exercised by it under the provision of this act shall in relation to such matter and subject to such condition if any as may be specified in the order be exercisable also by the SEBI or the Reserve Bank constituted under section 3 of the Reserve Bank of India. मतलब कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट बाय ऑफिशियल गैजेट पब्लिश करेगी कि ये जो पावर है वो सेबी या आरबीआई भी एक्सरसाइज कर सकती है. नेक्स्ट इज सेक्शन 30 पावर टू मेक रूल. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट मे बाय नोटिफिकेशन इन द ऑफिशियल गैजेट मेक रूल्स फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ कैरिंग इन टू इफेक्ट द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस एक्ट. मतलब ये सारे रूल्स प्रोवाइड इस सारे मैटर्स पे रूल बना सकती है. इन पर्टिकुलर एंड विदाउट प्रिजुडाइज टू द जनरलिटी ऑफ द फॉरगोइंग पावर सच रूल्स में प्रोवाइड फॉर the manner in which application may be made, the particulars which they should contain, and the levy of fee in respect of such applications. The manner in which any inquiry for the purpose of RSC may be made, the condition which may be imposed for the grant of such recognition, including condition as to admission of members if the stock exchange concern is to be only the RSC in the area, and the form in which recognition shall be granted. Particular which should be contained in the periodical returns and annual reports to be furnished to central government. Document which should be maintained and preserved under section 6 and periods for which they should be preserved. Manner in which inquiry by the governing body of stock exchange shall be made under section 6. Manner in which the bylaws to be made or amended under this act shall before being so made or amended be published for criticism. The manner in which application may be made by dealers in securities for license under section 70, fee payable in respect thereof and the period of such license, the conditions subject to which license may be granted, including condition relating to the form which may be used in the market contracts, document to be maintained by the licensed dealer, and the furnishing of periodical information to such authority as may be specified, and the revocation of license for breach of condition. Requirement which shall be complied with by public companies for the purpose of getting the security listed on any stock exchange, by collective investment scheme for the purpose of getting their units listed on any stock exchange, the grounds on which the securities of a company may be delisted from recognized stock exchange under subsection 1 of section 21A, the form in which the appeal may be filed before said under subsection 2 of section 21A, and fees payable in respect of such appeal, the form in which appeal may be filed before said under 22A, and fees payable in respect of such appeal, the manner of inquiry under subsection 1 of section 23I, the form in which an appeal may be filed before said under 23A, and fees payable in respect of such appeal, any other matter which is to be or may be prescribed. Even rule made under this act shall be laid as soon as may be after it is made before each house of parliament while it is in session for a total period of 30 days, which may be comprised in one session or in two or more successive sessions, and if before the expiry of the session immediately following the session or successive session aforesaid both house agree in making modification in the rules, or both house agree that rules should not be made, the rule thereafter have effect only in such modified form or be no effect as the case may be. So however that any such modification or annulment shall be without prejudice to the validity of anything previously done under that rule. 30 a special provision relating to commodity derivatives. Nothing contained contained in this act shall apply to non-transferable specific delivery contract. मतलब जो डिलीवरी के कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है और जो नॉन ट्रांसफरेबल है उसको ये प्रोविजन अप्लाई नहीं होगा. प्रोवाइडेड दैट नो पर्सन शैल ऑर्गेनाइज और असिस्ट इन ऑर्गेनाइजिंग और बी अ मेंबर ऑफ एसोसिएशन in any area to which provision of section 30 have been made applicable, which provides facilities for the performance of any non-transferable specific delivery contract by any party thereto, without having to make or receive actual delivery to or from other party to the contract or to or from any other party name in the contract. मतलब कि कोई भी पर्सन ऑर्गेनाइज या असिस्ट नहीं कर सकता और किसी भी मेंबर एसोसिएशन का जिसको सेक्शन 23 अप्लाई हुआ है टू प्रोवाइड वो प्रोवाइड नहीं कर सकता फैसिलिटीज़ फॉर द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ नॉन ट्रांसफरेबल स्पेसिफिक डिलीवरी जिसमें पार्टी विदाउट मेकिंग या रिसीव एक्चुअल डिलीवरी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करे, ऐसा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते. Where in respect of any area the provisions section 30 have been made applicable in relation to commodity derivative for sale or purchase of any goods or class of goods, the central government may by notification declare that in said area or any part thereof as may be specified in notification all or any of the provision of this act shall not apply to transferable specific delivery contract for the sale or purchase of the said goods or class of goods either generally or to class of such contracts in पर्टिकुलर. मतलब अप्लाई कुछ प्रोविजन अप्लाई नहीं होंगे उसके बाय नोटिफिकेशन वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट स्पेसिफाई करेगी. नॉट विथ स्टैंडिंग एनीथिंग कंटेन इन सबसेक्शन 1 इफ CG इज ऑफ द ओपिनियन दैट in the interest of trade or in the public interest it is expedient to regulate and control non-transferable specific delivery contract in any area. It may by notification in the official gazette declare that all or any of the provision of this act shall apply to such classes of non-transferable specific delivery contract in such area in respect of such goods or classes of goods as may be specified. Notification may also specify the manner in which and the extent to which all or any of the state provision shall so apply. मतलब कि सब सेक्शन 1 में चाहे जो भी लिखा होगा CG को लगा तो वो प्रोविजंस सारे बाय नोटिफिकेशन अप्लाई भी करवा सकती है. सेक्शन 31 पावर of SEBI to make regulations without prejudice to the provision contained in 30 of the SEBI. The SEBI may by notification in official gazette make regulation consistent with the provision of this act and rules made thereunder to carry out the purpose of this act in particular without prejudice the generality of foregoing provisions. Such regulation कौन से मैटर पे हो सकते हैं तो मैनर इन विच एटलीस्ट 51% of equity share capital of RSE is held within 12 months from the date of publication of the order under subsection 7 of section 4B by the public other than shareholder having trading rights under subsection 8 of that section. Eligibility criteria and other requirements under section 17A. The term determined by board for settlement of proceeding under subsection 2 of section 23JA. Any other matter which is required to be or may be specified by regulation or in respect of which provision is to be made by regulations. Every rule or regulations made under this act shall be laid as soon as may be after it is made before each house of parliament while it is in session for a total period of 30 days, which may be comprised in one session or in 2 or more successive sessions, and if before the expiry of session immediately following the session or the successive session aforesaid both houses agreed in making any modification in the rule or regulation, or both houses agree that rule or regulation should not be made, rules or regulations shall thereafter have effect only in such modified form or be of no effect as the case may be. So however that any such modification or annulment shall be without prejudice to the validity of anything previously done under that rule or regulation. Validation of certain acts section 32. Any act or things done or purporting to have been done under the principal act in respect of settlement of administrative and civil proceedings shall for all the purpose be deemed to be valid and effective as if the amendment made to the principal act had been in force at all material items. So this is all for SICRA. Thanks for watching the video.